Imagine this. You are standing in a market. The cashier is waiting. You know what you want to say, but your mouth stays closed. Not because you don't know English, but because your brain is scared. In the next few minutes, I will show you exact English sentences you can use in the market, hospital, and cafe. No rules, no grammar, just real English that works in real life. By the end of this video, you won't just listen, you will speak. Let's start. Hello friends, welcome back to Easy English Zone. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. You might know English, you might have studied it, but when it comes to real-life situations, fear stops you. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need grammar to speak English. You don't need perfect sentences. All you need is practice in real situations. Today, we will cover 3 most common real-life scenarios: market, shop, hospital, clinic, cafe, coffee shop. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak confidently in any of these places. Remember, English is for communication, not perfection. Imagine walking into a supermarket or local shop in the US. Scenario 1, asking for help. Say these sentences. Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find this? I'm looking for this item. Is this available here? Do you have this in another size? Tip: speak slowly and clearly. Your voice matters more than grammar. Scenario 2, asking about price. How much is this? Is this on sale? Is there a discount? That's too expensive. Can you reduce the price? Practice mini dialogue. You: excuse me, how much is this? Shopkeeper: it's $5. You: okay, I'll take it. Perfect. Simple, real, useful English. Scenario 3, checkout or payment. I'm ready to pay. Can I pay by card? Can I pay cash? Do you need my receipt? Thank you. Have a good day. Practice tip: repeat these sentences out loud 3 times each. Confidence grows with repetition. Now, imagine you're at a hospital or clinic. Scenario 1, reception. Hello, I need help. I have an appointment. I don't feel well. I need to see a doctor. Is the doctor available? Important, no need for medical words. Simple English works perfectly. Scenario 2, talking about your problem. I have pain here. I feel sick. I have a headache. I feel dizzy. I'm not feeling well. Mini dialogue. You: I don't feel well. Receptionist: what's the problem? You: I have pain here. Simple, clear, effective. Scenario 3, waiting and questions. How long is the wait? When is my appointment? Can I sit here? Thank you for your help. Tip: speak slowly, don't rush. Confidence greater than perfect English. Cafe situations are very common. Scenario 1, ordering drinks. Hi, can I get a coffee? I'd like a small coffee. I'd like a large coffee. With milk, please. No sugar, please. Scenario 2, ordering food. Can I see the menu? I'd like this, please. I'll take this one. That's all, thank you. Mini dialogue. You: hi, can I get a coffee? Barista: sure. Small or large? You: small, please. Perfect English in a cafe. Scenario 3, payment. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Tip: always smile. Your attitude matters more than words. Stop thinking grammar. Stop worrying mistakes. Fear is the only barrier between you and English. Every American understands broken English. Say out loud: I can speak English. I don't need perfect sentences. I will speak today. Repeat this 3 times daily. It trains your brain to speak confidently. Step 1. Choose one place daily. Market, hospital, cafe. Step 2. Speak 5 sentences out loud. Step 3. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Just 10 minutes a day equals huge improvement. Market mini dialogue. You, excuse me, where can I find milk? Shopkeeper, aisle 3. You, thank you. Hospital mini dialogue. You, I need to see a doctor. Receptionist, please take a seat. You, thank you. Cafe mini dialogue. You, I'd like a cappuccino. Barista, sure, small or large. You, small please. Practice all 3 places daily for fluency. If this video helped you, like it. Comment, speak if you want more real-life English videos. Subscribe to Easy English Zone for daily English practice. Remember, speak daily, don't fear mistakes. Confidence greater than grammar. You already know English. Now it's time to speak it. See you in the next video. Speak English anywhere, anytime. No grammar, no fear.